Hi guys, I just wanted to go through this unboxing of the MacBook Air. Just purchased a new MacBook Air, very slim design. We'll go through the unboxing now, and just want to show you the whole box. This was actually shipped directly from China, which is interesting. It took a while to get here because of the snowstorm. But let's do the unboxing now. Got a plastic cover. Take that off. Alright, there we go. And now we're just going to lift the cover up. It's really okay, just pull the cover off. There's the laptop. Got the gray color. There was a couple different options in colors you probably have seen. This is actually the space gray. It's the color I wanted. See here. I'm just gonna pull it out. It's actually surprisingly similar to my MacBook Pro. Surprisingly similar to that, but it is a bit more narrow and very compact. And there it is. Of course, it's opening up now. It comes with screen protector. It's starting up. Keyboard, really nice keyboard, nice feel. It's taking me through the startup screens. This is what else it comes with in the box.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Power cord, charger. It's actually one of the smaller ones. I didn't realize that. But it comes with a smaller charging unit. Let's see. You see the wattage on this? Probably does. I have the larger ones for my work laptop. Let's see, which one is this? 30 watt. So yeah, I think my other ones are like 75 or 90 watt. So this is the smaller unit. Kind of nice though. I like that. Actually rather have this because I have the larger ones. So this is actually a bit more compact. So that's pretty much it. This is a new MacBook Air with the M1 chip. Unboxing and...
To use British English as the main language.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
I'm just going to go through the startup and go from there. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing. And I'll do some more videos as I start this up and get it set up. Thanks for watching, and tune in for more videos on new products and unboxing. Thank you.